With the cooler weather setting in and here to stay, it is time to warm our bones. Let's make this old German warming drink into an old fashioned. So sit back and enjoy while warming my heart and old bones. Let's get started. My wife introduced me to Gluhwein many years ago, and since then, every year during the holiday season, we always have one on the counter, ready to be warmed for an after dinner nightcap. It's become a bit of a holiday season tradition.
Christmas tradition.
Cocktail quiz time. Where does the name Gloo-vine come from? It's hotter than you think. With it becoming a holiday tradition in my household, I started thinking this would make a great old fashioned. Now, of course, I looked online and there's no Gluhwein Old Fashioned recipes online.
No way.
So either no one has thought of this, which I doubt it's just too good, or no one has put one online. So I may be the first.
First what? First, I meant first.
Gluhwein, this warm wine beverage, has been around since at least 1420 in Germany. It is associated with good health, warmth, and happiness. Today you will see Gluhwein in German Christmas markets. Don't forget, if you like these videos, please click on that like button. Also, please subscribe and hit that notification bell as not to miss any upcoming videos. Plus, I'm getting close to 1,000 subscribers, and when I do, I'll be doing a giveaway. I'll be giving away all 3 of these bottles to one lucky winner. Yes, one lucky winner will win all 3 of these once I hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, it's time to start giving ourselves warmth, happiness, and good health. Let's start making my interpretation of Gluhwein Old Fashioned cocktail for this special holiday season. Gluhwein Old Fashioned ingredients: half an ounce of whiskey, half an ounce of rum, half an ounce of Gloo-vine concentrate simple syrup, 1 to 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. You'll also need an orange slice, anise, and cinnamon stick for garnish. So let's start making the Gluhwein Old Fashioned. In a glass, we're gonna add half an ounce of whiskey. For this, I'm using the good old Forester 100 proof. This will also be followed by half an ounce of rum. And as I've said before, I don't have much rum on hand, so I'm gonna use this El Dorado 12-year rum. I know Vito's probably shaking in his boots right now watching me use this. Now we're gonna add 1 dash of Angostura bitters. And I'm gonna use a full 2 ounces of this Gloo-vine. However, I did warm some up already because this is a warm drink. I'm gonna use the cinnamon stick to give it a little stir. Drop that in there. Also gonna drop in there a quarter slice of orange and kind of let this anise sit on the top of this. Now, this glass was way too big for this. Should have thought that out ahead, huh? But it does smell amazing. Cocktail quiz time. Where does the name Gloo-vine come from? It traces back its origins in the German-speaking world back hundreds of years when hot irons were used to heat wine, meaning glow wine. Now it's time to taste the Gluhwein Old Fashioned. It's supposed to be a warm drink, so I want to drink this before it cools down too much. Smells wonderful. Gluhwein, if you've never had it, is one thing I recommend you trying.
Don't try it.
But trying this old fashioned, this is a first for me. So let's see how this goes. Oh wow, that is nice and smooth and warming. Feel it warming my insides right now. The good thing about this though, I was using a lot of the simple syrup, which is the Gloo-vine simple syrup, as a concentrate to add more of that flavor. So this time I was not highlighting the spirits, right? I wasn't highlighting the whiskey or I wasn't highlighting the rum. I was trying to highlight the Gloo-vine concentrate I made. And I think I did a very good job at that.
Yes, it's a Christmas miracle.
Because that's what I taste, but then you get that nice little bit of a burn in the back where you get that little hug going down. Nice flavor, the Gloo-vine from the front to the back, nice and sweet. This is a very sweet old fashioned, so if you don't like it sweet, you might not like this as much, but it's very good. I just wanted to do a quick update on the Gluhwein Old Fashioned. As my wife tasted it, she thought it tasted a little too syrupy. So what we did to correct that, and you may want to try this, is we used the full 2 ounces of the Gloo-vine. We added 1 ounce of rum and 1 ounce of whiskey to kind of make it a bigger drink, but also less syrupy, because I did make this pretty thick and syrupy because I wanted it to be a concentrate to add a lot of flavor with just a little bit of it.
Just a little bit.
Did you try it both ways? If so, let me know which way you liked it better. Thank you for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole. I hope this old-fashioned helped warm your hearts and your bones. Happy holiday seasons. Cheers, or should I say, Prost.